And yes, it is never a boring moment in the world of technology. And you know, technology rules our everyday endeavors. Trust me, it is the basis on which everything stands on, and that's why you should be interested. So, the conversation's focus today is on artificial intelligence, AI. I know a lot of people have been calling for a pause from Elon Musk to key stakeholders in the tech ecosystem, signing petitions and saying, stop producing and experimenting with artificial intelligence until we understand how responsible all of us can be so it doesn't harm anybody. And with the few people I interviewed, I asked them, should they pause experimentation of AI? They tell me no. So, what should we do? And they say we should discuss on how we can practice responsibility with artificial intelligence. If, as an AI practitioner, you hear people say responsible I mean, break it down, help us understand better what that means.
All right. Thank you very much. Well, when we say responsible AI, what we mean is AI with good intentions. AI with good intentions. That is AI that's, from the word responsible, right? AI that is, being developed and deployed with good intentions, meaning that, you strip it off all forms of bias, you strip it off all forms of evil deeds, for the betterment of the society.
So, from what you have said,
Mm.
it means that people could use AI irresponsibly. Can you give us incidences of how that is possible?
Yeah, I mean, there are a lot of cases that like that. The interesting thing is people don't really go all out to say they want to build AI to with bad intentions, right? But there are some elements that makes AI irresponsible or that makes AI come out with bad intentions. One of which is biasness, right? Because AI systems are developed with data, and the moment the data is biased, right, towards, for instance, if it has racial bias, for instance, if you train an AI with, in the West, and then you bring it to Africa, for instance, and you say you want to use that AI, definitely you can't expect the same result because that AI has been built and developed and trained with another context, right? So in that case, you now realize that AI becomes irresponsible. It becomes a biased AI because the output, right, will definitely have some element of, biasness, right, in it.
Right.
Yeah.
All right. Many players have said pause AI experimentation until we know what really we want. Do you think we should do that?
Yes or no, right?
Yes.
I think we should not do that.
So we should go ahead
Yeah.
with it, irrespective of
Yeah.
the concerns and causes.
Yeah, but can I say this? And that's why we're having this conversation actually. Responsible AI,
Okay.
right? Which is all about, building AI systems that have good intentions, right? That's like the underlying factor. So it's just, it will be irresponsible of us, right, to say, you know what, let's stop development of AI systems because we don't know what it is all about, right? I mean, it's like shying away from what you don't know, right? You have to go all out for it. But underpinning or the underpin of the development has to be the concept of responsible AI, which honestly, if we and I love the fact that that's what this conversation is
It's
all
about.
about because there are a lot of conversations within the ecosystem, asking questions: how do we cater for biasness? How do we ensure that there's equal representation in the development of AI systems? The moment we're able to check all of those boxes, then let's move forward.
Yeah,
Let's move
fantastic.
forward. Yeah.
Thank you so much for being a part of the conversation.
It's a pleasure.
Olamilekan Akinsande. High five as we
Yeah.
go.
Thank you. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
The conversation continues right here on Tech Hub. Don't go anywhere.